What's the meaning of cringe? Cringe. Cringe.
Cringe. Cringe. The term cringe refers to a feeling of discomfort or embarrassment caused by someone else's actions, words, or behavior. It is typically used to describe something that is perceived as awkward, cheesy, or inauthentic. When someone cringes, they may physically recoil or feel a sense of secondhand embarrassment on behalf of the person committing the cringeworthy act. The term has become especially common in online communities, where it is often used to describe content that is overly self-promotional, insincere, or pandering. Overall, cringe refers to a feeling of social discomfort or awkwardness.